Come on. Come on. I know you got one in there. Come on. Come on. Give them a smile. Yeah. One more big one. One more big one would be fine. One more big one. Yeah. One more big one. I'm going to have to ride Brady, I guess. I'm going to have to ride Brady. Yeah. To get him to stay out of the picture. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Yeah. You can do it. What? What? Yeah. That's what you talk to me. Remember, that's a conversation. You say something, I say something. You say something back, I say something back. See, that's how it works. That's how it